So, hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you guys ever want to make a somewhat of an overlay and make your channel or your videos a little bit different, kind of when you're streaming or even when you're recording. For instance, I'm just going to show you quickly. This is kind of what I have currently. Is have my logo, my connections on how to reach me out, and this kind of comes out of some of my videos recently. Now, if you're streaming, there's this overlay, there's this overlay, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one. If you really want to go all out on this stuff, you would have to work on it. And then there's the blank. There's also this one. If you guys ever do want to start off by doing something small and simple, not too fancy, not too much, go ahead and use this one. Now, how do you get this one sometimes? Sometimes it's already pre-set on the bottom. If not, let's go ahead and click on this blank. Go to curated scenes, get scenes, go scroll down, hit headshot. If you want to add a webcam, there's the option to hit a webcam. If you don't, you can not check it. For instance, let's just say we do not use a webcam at all. There we go. It gives you the whole enchilada. Alright, no webcam, no nothing. You can add it later on. That's up to you. For instance, oh, now I want to use a webcam. Oh, I can't. Oh no, whoa, what happened? Just hit again on the created scene. Hit. Look for the headshot again. Add webcam. Get scene. Oh, now it shows right there. Currently, I do not have a webcam, so it's not going to show nothing there. So, let's go ahead and delete these. Keep this one here. Click save scene. This is already there. Okay, guys? So, now, what we're going to do is, how do we put our information here, guys? How do we make that happen? Well, stay tuned. I'll let you know. Now, if you guys are still staying tuned, pretty much you guys are. Now, in order to change all this stuff, oops, I can move this stuff around. It's pretty much like this, guys. If you guys want to add your text, your information, your connection, your way of connecting to you, for instance, go ahead and click this button again, this little overlays button right here, and choose add text. What are you guys gonna do here? It's already highlighted. I don't know why I did that. You're gonna highlight it and put your name. For instance, it could be gamer. Oops, I didn't even spell it that one right. Gamer. You can kind of change it to a different font if you choose to. There's a variety of fonts that you can choose, and it actually tells you the way they'll look, so you kind of get a little bit familiar. Then you want to do this one. Most of the time, text is your fonts. Your fonts are pretty much the ones you have and they're using overall in your computer. So, I don't really want to look for nothing right now. I guess I'll just quickly choose this one. It's supposed to change the way your font looks, the way it is, and then hit add. Oh, there we go. Boop. If you ever do want to, however, change your stuff, just go ahead, hit add text, highlight it. Oh, wait. Settings. If you guys ever do want to change, for instance, let's say you want to change that one. Go right click, settings. I don't like that one. Let's go ahead with Prosy. Hit save. Go change it. So ultimately what you guys want to do is make it look like this. What you guys want to make it look like is like that, where it has pretty much your information, your text, your words are there, and pretty much your connections are where you're reaching you. Now that's not hard, right, guys? It's pretty much simple. Let's go ahead and you guys can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy. Once you do that, because most likely it's going to be like this, you hit save, and that scene already stays. So if, for instance, you click on this and oh man, I just lost my overlay and stuff, go back to your number. There we go. That pops up. Not that hard. It helps the viewer know who you are, how they can reach out to you, and where to reach out to you. This has been a bit of a brief how to add text tutorial when using Elgato capture card. If you guys stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the videos that I have in my list. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you, and I'm out.